The Grom is getting his first mods today. We are going to install, what is it? The tail light with the turn signals in it. I forgot exactly how it's the two-way turn signal tail light or something like that. And we're installing my custom 12 bar from NKS today, and then we're gonna try to go to the wheelie spot if I can. The sun's already starting to go down, so hopefully we get this done quick. But yeah, let's see how we go. Oh man, how many weeks has it been since we made a video? Look at this man car. I don't know if y'all remember this car. It used to be red. Now it's this nice Nardo gray. Huh? He about to try to drive the Grom. Also, we modding the Grom today, so hopefully he don't break. Wait, don't touch it right there. I got you. Give me a second. Let me quick rundown of how to. You never rode a motorcycle before, right? All right, so this is his first try ever. We're gonna give him a quick run. All right, so it's in neutral. Start it up. All right. Chop it a little bit. Now let it out slowly. All right. Now let out.
Damn. Wait, why I keep stalling?
Let out slowly.
Oh, okay, not too fast.
Yeah, you got. Keep rolling. Let it out. There you go. Oh, go, keep going, give it gas. You're on the clutch. Let off the clutch. Shit, he done broke it.
My bad.
Oh my God. Go crash. You gonna let off the clutch or what? Oh God. Remember, clutch and brake to stop. Don't roll in them leaves. My man made it far. Yo, it's crashed. Keep going, make it all the way down. Oh my God, he almost crashed. I'm done. All right. So I got the seat off already. We're gonna take this whale tail thing off, which I think is just these. I think it's just the bolts up here, to be honest.
Oh, you might have to do something too, boys.
And then
I chalked that shit, bro.
we're gonna take the tail light off. It's just these two right here, I think. And then I'm disconnected there.
Yeah,
These are 10 mils. These cracked open kind of easy. Remember to keep y'all hardware so you don't lose nothing, because there's a lot of stuff going on in here. Here with me, old tail lights out, new one is now going in. Oh, I don't want to break that, shoot. New one going in. New tail light right here, got the turn signals built right in. We're gonna pop this right in like that. Yep, and then we're gonna wire it up. On to the 12 bar now. Got this custom JRG 12 bar, you see that? Take this off. So 2 screws on the side here. Hold that in. 2 screws here and here. 2 10 mils right there and it just pops off. Y'all wouldn't even believe what I had to go through to get this to fit. So basically I had to take a drill these holes out, because the hardware that comes with this doesn't fit. And instead of just, you know, going to buy some that may fit, I just would say whatever, I'll just make these fit. So now I'm putting the bracket on. See a little bracket here. I only got 2 screws holding it in, that one and that one there. These things will not screw in. They won't screw in all the way, like the washers won't go down, but weirdly enough, this is on sturdy. We're gonna see how sturdy it really is, but for now, I mean, it's on. So now it's time to put on the final 2 pieces. That JRG in the street. Look at that right there. On yet, still gotta push that one in a little bit more and then put the washers on, but this is it's shaping up now. It's finally starting to shape up, look like a bike. So we got the Amazon tail light back in there, just put it back in with the 2 bolts. We have now this wire is exposed. They give you a little connector here with the kit. Just gotta put this back on the right way, and then we're gonna get the man who knows how to do lights to come out here and wire everything up for me. Wired up for the fans, man.
He said wired up for the fans.
For the fans. They want to see what it's like to be wired up. Let's see if it worked. I'm gonna get my plate. Oh, Sean.
Son?
Alright, Sean, hit the brake. Other side, other side.
Other side. There you go.
It's not that bright, but oh, you can tell. It's good enough.
It's bright. It's bright enough. It's bright enough.
You say you can't tell?
Fuck no.
It's bright. These are the turn signals right here.
I noticed.
All right, so for whatever reason we couldn't get it done with the tail light. We need a LED flasher relay, which I'll get eventually. But 12 bars on. He's taping up the remaining connections from now, and then we'll come back to this. We are going to be Williams, so stay tuned. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Browse the channel for more, and most importantly, have a nice day.